Today, let me teach you how to remove rust from your clothes without any harsh chemicals. Join me. The items you will need are an old towel, a clean towel, but one you don't care about. We may be transferring a stain to it. So, yeah. Table salt and lemon juice. Lay your clothes on top of the old towel. Make a paste using table salt and lemon juice. Apply the paste to your rust stain and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the paste and pour more lemon juice onto the stain. Blot the stain using a clean towel and use a different section each time, because when you blot the stain, it's going to transfer it to the clean towel and you don't want to transfer it back to the stain. Let the garment air dry to ensure the stain has been completely removed before washing it. Never dry an item that still has a stain on it, or the dryer heat will set that stain, making it almost impossible to remove. And really, it's that simple. Rust can be a daunting stain, but don't let it be. It really just takes a little bit of regular things you have around the house and some time to remove it. Please share this video with your friends. Sub to my channel for daily DIY organization and cleaning videos. And also, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.